All right, guys, we're still here at Llanos de Cortés waterfall. Check out part 1. It's just uploaded. And you know, I mentioned in the video that there is a pathway over here to like a little secret poza. And I thought, you know, I'm kind of an adventurer myself. And we're going to go check that out. So we stopped the video over there and check that video out because we have some drone footage. We have some footage on how to get here. This is the little spot. There's a walking, I wouldn't say it's a walking path. It's a lower point on the river and there's some rocks across the river. So people are coming across there. It's nice and shallow so you can lug your stuff across. Let's go check out the waterfall from this angle. The sun's not as out now, so it's not as sunny. There you go, look at that, wow. And guys, I actually can't remember. I just saw people up there on that little thing there taking some photos. I can't necessarily remember exactly how to get up there. I think there's a path for that side and there's a path for this side. If you guys know, let me know. It might actually be down the path we're going to. So guys, before we start walking, as always, hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. And leave me a comment. If you like these videos, I'll keep doing them. I'll keep dragging this camera out, filming everything I do. So there you go. There's a different angle. There's a different shot from this side. Everybody chilling. I just got in the water. It's super refreshing. There's little like minnows in the water swimming around. I don't know if they're the kind that'll eat your, you know, parts or whatever. Some deeper areas though right by the shore too. So it's pretty cool. But we're gonna go do this walk. And I just looked on Google Maps. I don't know how far it is. We're just gonna do it together and maybe we'll see some stuff along the way. So you're gonna look over here. There's no lifeguard on duty, this sign says right here. And if I recall correctly, there was actually like a pool. So the waterfall up ahead branches off. And there's a pool up here where it goes through. And it was fairly deep. I remember doing a cannonball in it or something like that. Oh, gracias. There we go. I hope this is worth it, man. I hope this is worth it for the part 2. So guys, if you're just joining this video, if you want more information about this location, go check out the first video. What the heck is going on up there? Oh, okay, cool. Cool, let's actually go up there. Okay. These are steeper stairs. Man, I was here years ago the first time. And I don't exactly remember everything. And there could be new things. I don't know, maybe this was closed off last time. I don't necessarily remember coming up here. This is a good workout though. I was going to do some push-ups. Okay, maybe this is actually just the way up to get to the top. That would be cool. That would work out well. Hope my heavy breathing isn't showing up on the camera. Okay, and that exactly it is. Oh, we're at the top. Okie dokie. There you go. That works out well. A quick ascent. There you go. The playita down there. Let's go check it over here. Man, that works so well. Okay. Just gotta watch the old footing around here. Got a bunch of bags on. Okay, so there's the waterfall from above. Oh wow, this is great. I'm really glad I did this video. I was humming and hawing about it, standing there. I said, I don't know if I want to do another one. It's definitely worth it now. So yeah, that right over there is where I saw some people walking, but it looks like there's a clearing over here. Woo! At least going down isn't as bad as going up. Oh, and there's a bridge. My goodness, man. How lucky. How lucky. Que suerte. Look at, so it's crazy. Right here, it's like a trickle. It's like a koi pond. Oh wow, you could go swimming up here. Actually, there's some of those little fish right there. Can we see them? Yeah, there they are. I don't know what they are. Minnows, maybe tadpole, I don't know. I'm a marine enjoyer, not a marine biologist. Okay, so this probably is a little slippery. Let's see how I fare. Okay, and perfect. Let's go over here. I wonder if that's like a way to leave the, maybe you could just walk right over here. Maybe there's a path to go. I don't know. It's a big clearing. Llanos, I translated. I've yet to learn that word on Duolingo. So it means plains, which makes sense. So we're still going to go back and try to find that little posa, guys, because I really enjoyed that last time. It was very deep. It was like a hole in the ground. And I'm not going to shoot the camera too far over the edge because I don't have it tethered. Normally I have like a lanyard on it. Okay, cool. Wow, look at that. That's nice. Super nice. Wow, super cool, super cool. Man, I love it here. It's great. Let's go back down and try to find the posa. Maybe we can actually see where the river breaks off, because I'm fairly certain it's the same water feeding that other little posa. What are they growing here? Is this just like wheat? Wow, it's nice. It's about to be dark though. Gonna have to hustle up here. That's cool. If I had more time, maybe I'd explore up this river and check it out. It's pretty wild though, the amount of, it doesn't seem like a lot of water up here, but at the waterfall, it's just intense. And big step, little step. Okay. All right, and we're back. This is a cool bridge. Made out of rocks and stuff. I like it. Yeah, so I just looked over there. I can't see where the river breaks off. But let's head back down and see if we can't find it together. If you guys enjoy this format, let me know. I mean, these are just the walking, talking tours. We're just kicking it, winging it. You know, the last time I was here, I think I probably edited a bunch of different videos together. And made it like short and concise. But I tried in this format now, just, you know, make a really long video. We explore together kind of thing. Down is definitely easier. And it's cool that it's like green here. I'm pretty sure it stays green here more often during the dry season, because guanacaste can get very, very dry. But just looking at the different foliage here, it looks like there's stuff that would, you know, those like vines that wrap around the trees and stuff like that. Like this stuff here. Cool. There's a tree. Looks like it's coming down. All right. Here we are back at the bottom. Now I don't anticipate it's too far along this path to get to the little posa, but we're in this together, guys. I'm invested. If you're invested, let's kick it. This is nice, eh? It's a nice hike. This is the way we came in last time. Oh my God, I can see it right here. That's okay. That's easy. Yeah, we actually drove by the entrance the first time we came here, and we ended up in the little town. And these two guys are like, yeah, we can be a tour guide. And they brought us in through a watermelon field, and it was like pouring, I think, when we got here. So look at this. That's cool. Man, that's awesome. Let's go down there. It was pouring rain, and I remember going right up there and jumping in. Super cool. So if you guys come here, I mean, that's the distance to this little area, and as it did say, there is no lifeguard on duty, but this is deep here. You could like dive in here to a cannonball. Like you can't even see it. You know, I can't even see any rocks down there. Maybe I can see the bottom over there. But look at this. That's so nice. Cool. And I think our guides jumped off there. I already got a back injury. I'm not looking for more. Oh, there's fish right there. Cool. Let's go check that out. Those are bigger fish. How'd you get in there? What are y'all doing? Look at that. Can we see those? Look at that one. Try to get them without the glare and without dropping my phone. And no, there's more glare over here. Yeah, they're like little tiger stripe little jobbies. There's some. Those are bigger. Cool, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that part 2 of Llanos de Cortés. Right here at the, I don't know what this one's called, the Hidden Poza. Once again, guys, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment if you appreciate this kind of content. I hope to see you soon here on your vacation in Costa Rica. Thanks for watching. Bye now. Okay, now for real, bye.